Welcome back, tool enthusiasts. If you're new here, buckle up. You're about to see some serious game changers.
That's right. Today we're talking about the newest Milwaukee innovations that are about to make your drain cleaning and inspection job smoother, smarter, and a whole lot faster.
Milwaukee Tool is raising the bar again with their latest additions to the M12 system, and this drop is packed with power. We're talking about the M12 high-speed chain snake, the M12 Compact Inspection Cameras, and the M12 75-foot drain camera with PACKOUT Compatibility.
Yeah, this lineup isn't just for plumbers. Whether you're in residential, commercial, or facility maintenance, these tools are designed with your workflow in mind.
First up, the M12 Fuel high-speed chain snake, a compact beast that's made to dominate 1 1/4 inch to 2 inch pipes. This thing's a drain clearing machine with the kind of power you'd expect from a much bigger unit.
No more dragging in bulky corded equipment. This baby is lightweight, cordless, and fits perfectly in tight spaces, bathrooms, kitchens, apartment units, you name it.
It can clear up to 35 feet and remove up to 70 feet of buildup per charge. And yeah, that's all off the M12 XC60 battery. You're looking at 3 full jobs on a single charge. Talk about saving time, and you're back.
And get this, it features an electronic foot pedal with a variable speed dial, so you're in total control. You want it to rip? Crank it up. Need precision? Dial it down.
Forward and reverse functions? Check. And that rotating drum means feeding and retracting the cable is buttery smooth. I mean, it's like really surprisingly smooth. You'll be wondering how you ever lived without it.
Also worth mentioning, the high-speed chain knockers you can attach are absolute monsters when it comes to cutting through the grease, scale, or any soft blockages. This isn't just a cleanup tool, this is a full-on pipe rehab tool.
Alright, now let's talk visuals. If you can't see it, you can't fix it. Enter the new M12 Compact Inspection Cameras because poking around in the dark is so last decade.
We've got 2 models here, the 85-foot High Flex and the 65-foot Ultra Flex. Both are ultra portable, ultra durable, and ultra capable of navigating tight bends and elbows, like the ninjas of drain inspection.
The 85-foot High Flex is your go-to for 1.5 inch to 4 inch lines, while the 65-foot Ultra Flex is perfect for 1 inch to 3 inch lines.
And both models come with Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can pair them wirelessly with Milwaukee's M12 and M18 monitors, or even the Pipeline Inspection app on your phone. That's right, stream it, save it, share it, so easy.
Perfect for impressing clients or just proving to your boss that yes, you did actually clear that grease trap.
Let's not skip over the M12 wireless monitor. This thing is built like a tank. You've got a 5.5 HD touchscreen, IP65 water resistance, impact protection, and full visibility in the sunlight. And yes, it's glove friendly. Photos, videos, live sharing, all from your job site. You can literally diagnose, document, and deliver results without ever leaving the work zone. And now for the big dog, the M12 75-foot drain camera with PACKOUT capability. If you're in facilities maintenance or commercial inspection, this is your new best friend.
Oh wow.
Like us.
This setup is optimized for 1.5 inch to 4 inch pipes with flexible push cable and a full 75-foot reach, perfect for long runs, or those mystery blockages nobody else can figure out.
It comes loaded into Milwaukee's PACKOUT modular storage system, so you're not just getting power, you're getting organization, protection, and mobility.
The 7-inch touchscreen display gives you a super clear view of what's going on underground, and with on-screen tools you can zoom, rotate, capture photos or videos, and share in real time.
Plus you've got onboard storage, USB output, and SD card backup, so you're covered whether you're sending files to a client or just saving them for later documentation.
And when you're done, everything locks right into your PACKOUT stack. No loose cables, no extra boxes, just grab and go.
So let's recap. We got the M12 Fuel high-speed chain snake for fast, cordless power and tight drain lines. The M12 Compact Inspection Cameras, your eyes in the pipes, now with Wi-Fi and app connectivity. And the M12 75-foot drain camera with PACKOUT Compatibility, the all-in-one solution for serious inspection jobs.
Whether you're a plumber, maintenance tech, or just tired of subcontracting camera work, these tools are made to save you time, save you trips, and get the job done right for the first time.
You can pre-order all of these now from Ohio Power Tool. Don't wait, these will move fast.
And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you're always first to hear about Milwaukee's latest drops.
Thanks for watching.
Stay productive.
Stay ahead.
And always trust Ohio Power Tool for your next big job. Did you like that video? Would you like more?
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
My bad.
If you liked the video and would like more, make sure you like and subscribe this one and slap that notification bell.
And if you have any questions, just give us a call or email us. We even have fax if you're into that.
And if you're still doom scrolling, make sure you check out one of these videos here.
Thanks for watching.